In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your document for a polished and professionally formatted book using Google Docs. Whether you're self-publishing or preparing a manuscript for submission, I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and confidence. To start, open Google Docs and create a new blank document. This is your canvas, a fresh digital slate where your words will soon transform into a structured, captivating book. Let's move into the page setup first. Go ahead and click on File, then select Page Setup. Here, you'll choose your paper size, which is typically 6 by 9 inches for a standard paperback. However, if your project requires a different format, such as a larger document, opt for 8.5 by 11 inches. Next, establish your margins. Set them to 1 inch all around or adjust according to your publisher's specifications. Ensure your document is in portrait orientation to maintain that classic book feel. With the page settings in place, let's choose a font that not only looks professional, but also enhances readability. Times New Roman, Garamond, or Georgia are timeless choices favored by industry professionals. Set your font size to 12 points for body text, which is the standard for a comfortable reading experience. For line spacing, consider using double or 1.5 depending on aesthetic preference and readability. Finally, justify your text alignment to achieve that clean book style appearance across your manuscript. Now, we'll create a title page that sets the tone for what lies ahead. Start by inserting a blank page right at the beginning. Center align your text, and at the top, boldly display your book title in a larger font size. Say between 20 to 24 points. If your book has a subtitle, include it beneath the main title. Don't forget to add your name as the author, followed by optional details like the publisher's name and the year of publication. Moving on to the front matter of your book, you'll need to allocate a few pages for various introductory elements. Begin with a copyright page, including your name, the year, and any reserved rights. You may also choose to dedicate a page for a dedication if there's someone special you'd like to acknowledge. Add sections for acknowledgements or a preface if applicable. Remember to insert page breaks by using Ctrl+Enter between each section to keep everything neatly separated. As you venture into the main content, set a new page break before each chapter. Your chapter title should use the heading 1 style, which will be helpful when generating a table of contents later on. Decide whether you'd like your chapter titles to be center or left aligned, and begin your chapter's body text on the next line for a smooth transition. To add refinement, number your pages by navigating to Insert, then Page Numbers, choosing either bottom center or top right. For a personal touch, include your name or the book's title in the header. Now, for the table of contents, place your cursor where you'd like it to appear, usually after the front matter, and go to Insert, selecting Table of Contents. Choose between plain text or a linked style with your chapters and sections properly styled as headings. This table will generate effortlessly. As we approach the final stages, there are some crucial finishing touches to consider. Ensure that the text in the main body has a first line indent of half an inch to improve readability, and avoid using tabs. Employ widow and orphan control to avoid awkward breaks in your paragraphs. Finally, run a thorough spell check and review the grammar using the Tools menu. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Download, choosing PDF for publishing or .docx if you're submitting to an editor. Congratulations on setting up your document for success.